Well, hello, princesses, and welcome back to Not Fit for Print Beauty with me, Rebecca. Well, we are continuing to celebrate the Lunar New Year. It is going to be on February 12th, so coming up real soon here, the year of the ox. And that is folks born in 1973 and then every 12 years after that. So go ahead and look up if that might be your year, or you can also look up what your year has in store for your particular birth animal. I, as I said in my Charlotte Tilbury Lunar New Year video, am a piggy, a boar, B-O-A-R. So we're going to look at the Crimson Couture Lip Kit from Pat McGrath, which comes with Elson 3 and Bloodlust Lip Liner, and I'm going to apply it the way her little tutorial shows, which should be amusing for us all, me included, but probably especially you at home. We're also going to compare it to Elson, the original Pat McGrath lipstick, and to the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks for the Lunar New Year that are still out but are limited edition. So let's take a look. So first of all, let's try it on before we even do any swatches, and then we'll know what we're comparing. This is Elson 3, I think I said, and Bloodlust Lip Liner. Boy, is this a pretty shade. I love Elson to begin with. The original Elson is my absolute favorite red lipstick of all time, and I wear it in many videos when I have to wear red. So this is Elson 3. It's a slightly different shade of Elson, and I'll put it right there just for you to see right now, though we will arm swatch it later. And I will also arm swatch it double, because I did have someone say they like the double arm swatches. They feel it gives them a better feeling of what the color is. So I'll be sure to do that too for you guys. Stick around for that. Okay, so on the tutorial, she lines the lips and then blends it out with a fluffy tapered brush. And we have one here from the lovely Sonia G. So let's line it first. And it's nice and sharp because it's brand new. So the first thing I'm doing is messing it up because I'm talking. I have absolute performance anxiety with red on camera. If you've watched my channel long enough, you know this. Okay, now we get a fluffy tapered brush and blend. Okay. Okay, definitely still darker there. Now we take our Elson 3. This is the limited edition Lunar New Year color, and we're going to fill in, then we're going to start comparing. Let's just see what we think of it on my lips, okay? Let me get the bullet nice up here. Very pretty. Let's put a little more on and then I'll clean it up a bit. I tried to be precise as I could. Alrighty, and then of course the trick of, so you get it there, set it on your teeth, and then you rub it on your pants if you're me, okay? All right, what do we think? Ooh, it's very Lunar New Year. I really like it. I smeared a little bit there. So that needs a little bit maybe of concealer around it, no biggie. So let's do some comparisons. First thing I want to do, I'm really enjoying it. I'm kind of looking at myself in the monitor because I am trying it on for the first time with you guys. By the way, with a face full of Pat McGrath. I'm also trying out the new Becca the Becca, not Hydromaniac, that was the Urban Decay, but the Becca light shifting Doing Tint. Again, because so many of you said you like that. So if you're interested in that, that is on my face right now too. Okay, so let's do some swatches here next to each other and do some comparisons because we're all interested in this. So here is what comes in the kit. We have, I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. There is one stroke of the Bloodlust liner, followed by another stroke of the Bloodlust liner to build it up for those of you who are interested in that. Then we're going to do our new Elson 3. We will do one stroke of it and then another to build it up if you're interested. There's one stroke of Elson 3 followed by 2 strokes of Elson 3, and you can also see it here on my lips. That is liner and lipstick. Now, how does it compare to the original Elson? I have the Pave limited edition version, which is actually still available on the site. I'll link it below along with the link to this kit. I'm kind of curious how this will go. All right, so we have Bloodlust liner. We have Elson 3. This is the new kit. And here it is, the original Elson 1 stroke, the original Elson 2 strokes. So you can see those there next to each other. And definitely the original Elson looks like it's much more of a bluer red. And the newer one looks a lot oranger. I want to compare it to a few. We have 3 Charlotte Tilbury limited edition Lunar New Year lipsticks. And really, Sweet Blossom doesn't really, it's not really that traditional red. Let's look at it though with Rose Wish and Lucky Cherry. This is Charlotte Tilbury, and I do have a separate video looking at these, which I'll also link below. But they have this beautiful red Lunar New Year, also limited edition packaging. Here is Rose Wish. I think it has no resemblance at all, but let's do 1 stroke and 2 strokes of Rose Wish. So I left a little bit of line there, a little blank spot to differentiate the Pat McGrath from the Charlotte Tilbury. And now my favorite of the 3 Charlotte Tilburys is the Lucky Cherry. So let's take a look at that. 1 stroke of Lucky Cherry and 2 strokes of Lucky Cherry. So let's take a look. I'll leave that on the screen for a moment for you. We have the lip kit, both liner and Elson 3, compared to the original Pat McGrath Elson, and then 2 of the limited edition Charlotte Tilbury Lunar New Year Reds. So take a look at those 2. Have another look at it on my lips. Granted, a tad bit of a messier application than I would do if I could take quite a few minutes with it. But I knew you were all watching me, and I do have red lipstick performance anxiety. Is that normal? Most people don't pick red lipstick on in front of an audience, I suppose. In terms of the Lunar New Year, we also have a lot of highlighter releases, other lipsticks, and all sorts of beautiful things, plus the Beautylish Lucky Bag that comes out every year to celebrate the Lunar New Year and is actually coming out, going to be mailed out soon. I was lucky enough already to get the extra large Lucky Bag from Beautylish, so we'll be opening that up for first impressions together, and hopefully I will get lucky and I will open that up right when it comes with you guys. Did you invest in this Pat McGrath lip kit? I think it's absolutely beautiful, but remember, I'm biased. Elson is my favorite color. Did you get the Charlotte Tilbury? Are you planning to get any of these? They're limited edition, but they're all still available. Please comment below. Let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you have not already done so, I would greatly appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, as it helps me grow and it's the highest compliment that you can give me. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.